Hi, Magnolia. It's time for OT group. So let's get started. Today, we're going to do sensory explorers. So first, we have to say hello. Today, we're going to say hello in a different language. Hola, friends. Now your turn. Good job, Magnolia. Next, we're going to talk about our senses. Let's say them together. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We smell with our noses. We taste with our mouth. And we touch with our fingers. Show me some wiggly fingers, friends. Good job. I wonder what we're going to explore today. Today, we're going to explore our sense of smell. That's right. And we're going to make spice paint. Spice is something that's in our food to make our food taste yummy. Ask mom and dad if you can explore the spice cabinet and choose a spice. To make the spice paint, we're going to use 3 spoons of flour, some water, and a spice of your choice. Today, I'm going to use pumpkin spice. I found this in my cabinet and I love the smell. It smells so good. And we're going to use a paintbrush. But if you don't have a paintbrush, you can use a Q-tip. Also, if you can't make the paint, you can just mix the spice with white paint and use that to make a drawing. Or you can use glue on your paper and sprinkle the spice. It's up to you. But today I'm going to show you how to make the spice paint. So first, we are going to put 3 spoons of flour. You don't want to make too much, just the right amount. So 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to put some oil in our cup to make the paint nice and smooth. Then we're going to use some water. Pour the water in slowly and stir. We don't want the paint to be too thick or too liquidy. So give it a try. That looks good. Oh, actually, I might need some more water. It's too thick. There we go. Next, I'm going to sprinkle in my spice. Ooh, it smells so good. Let's see what color this will make. Ooh, it's making a really pretty brown. Great. Next, let's get my piece of paper ready. Have my paint ready. And I'm going to make a happy face. Wow. The paint, you might have to go around it a couple of times to make your happy face. Look at that. Oh, and the paint smells so good. Look at that, Magnolia. There's my happy face. You can pause the video now to make your paint, and then we can do our reflection. So for our reflection, today in OT group, did you explore water beads or did you make spice paint? That's right, we made spice paint. Next, did you explore with your sense of smell or hearing? That's right. We use our noses to smell our spice paint. Ooh. Next, did spice paint make you feel Happy or sad? You know, sometimes we don't like the smell of spices, but I am so happy that you gave it a try. So, spice paint makes me feel happy. Next, we'll say bye in a different language. So, I'll say bye in Spanish. Adios, friends. I'll see you next time.